Hello again, everyone. Let's have dinner. So I have papaya and pineapple, watermelon, the fish soup that I made earlier, and I got some okra and some fried fish. And also I got the hot water. I'm craving for fish soup. That's why I made this soup earlier. This right here. I got off from work this morning at 1:30 and it's already past 3 in the morning before I went to bed. And I woke up about 8 o'clock. So right now, I'm so very sleepy. So I have to eat first before I can go to bed. Before I can go back to bed. So come eat with me. I'm just gonna use my hand. I washed my hand. I already started eating. Oh. Come eat with me. I don't have rice. This is good. So I got this red snapper that I bought from the store. That's frozen. That I make as a fish soup. I like to eat with my hand when I eat the fish because of the fish bone. It's really good. That I only use tomato, onion, scallion, and ginger for this fish. Really good. Organic okra. And I got this papaya that I bought the other day. It's very sweet. Papaya. Very sweet. And the pineapple is very sweet too. Ah. It melts in your mouth. Mm. Very good. and watermelon. Usually this is what I do on weekend. I go to the store on Thursday to buy some fruits. Then on weekend, I'm enjoying those fruits. Very good. When I'm just new here in US, I always ask for rice. I never run out of rice. But the longer I live here in the US, I got adjusted to eat without rice. Whatever the simple meal is, I'm happy. It's really good. Just have to be careful when you're eating fish. The tiny bone is hard to get it out. Once you swallowed it, it's gonna be hard to take it out from your throat. That's why you have to be careful. The fish head. Filipino use the fish head when they buy the fish. They don't throw the head. We buy everything. So this is a very satisfying meal to me. So look at this. This is all the bone. Just the fish head. That's how much bone I got. The tiny bone. That is not safe to swallow because it's gonna get stuck in your throat and you're gonna suffer for that for a couple of weeks before you feel better if the bone gets stuck on your throat. So that's a fish head. So again, this is the soup that I made earlier. The watermelon, pineapple, papaya, okra. And I have a fried tail of the fish head. and the hot water for my meal tonight. Okay, bye everyone. God bless us all.